Which way do we go is a question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something bigger than ourselves. That we need higher. We have built the all by that we need higher. We have the heights that we need. We need higher. We have built the all by that we need higher. We have the heights that we need. The high I feel, the high the all by the high I feel, the high the fight that we need. The high I feel, the high the all by the high I feel, the
Hey guys, Derek and I made up a couple gussets to go on the side towers of the Cougar House Fab Bilstein dual shock towers that are on the DURAMAX here. So we're gonna get that little gusset put on the back, and then that'll be ready to be sanded down with Scotch-Brite, red Scotch-Brite, and painted. And then we're gonna move on to something over here. Derek and I cannot stand the way this U-bolt flip kit came out, so we're gonna get that replaced here with something much, much better. But in the meantime, we're gonna get these gussets here welded onto the back of the towers. So let's go ahead and get that welded on with the Miller 252 here.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. All that we had, I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me, so close to the edge of something so worth it. You have the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be. We can't get any closer.
Alright, all finished up on the DURAMAX this afternoon. Feels pretty good to be able to give the DURAMAX some attention now that we're finished up with projectile elevation. So now that we're able to work on it again, we got those gussets put on the back of the Cougar House Fab Bilstein dual shock towers for the leaf sprung kit. Well, it's not our kit, but it's Sky Manufacturing's spring hanger kit with Icon 4-inch springs. And then we got in the last episode here, we got the Weaver Fabrication 99-04 Ford Super Duty modified passenger knuckle with its high steer arm. We got that drilled and installed, and then we also installed, in this episode, we installed the YFO 6-inch drop pitman arm that allows for a 3/4 inch heim joint to be bolted on the end instead of like the OEM DURAMAX pitman arm has the ball joint pressed into it. So now that we got that on there, I got the tie rod over there ready. Well, the steering rod that will go between the high steer arm and the YFO drop pitman arm. We'll get that bolted on, and that will give us our angle we need to make our pitman arm at, our axle side mount, and our frame side mount. But before we can do that, we're going to pull off that U-bolt flip kit. I don't like the way those U-bolts came out. We had a local truck shop, like a semi-truck shop, bend them up, but their die wasn't exactly the exact size we needed for the 99-04 Ford Super Duty axle. So I'm not happy with them, neither's Derek, so we're going to pull them off and we're going to order up the Sky Manufacturing U-bolt flip kit that's for 99-04 Ford Super Duty, which they didn't have when I originally ordered all these parts to start building Kaz's DURAMAX form. So we're going to get that on order, and we'll get those installed before we make the panhard bar mount, the axle side mount and the frame side mount, and make the panhard bar itself. So, and then as well, we'll bend up the tie rod that will connect the two knuckles, and we're going to actually try to get some batteries in the truck. Kaz doesn't have batteries in it when he dropped it off because he had it in Tacoma and he was afraid of somebody being thievery on it, you know what I mean? So I got to see about him bringing me over a set of batteries, and then I can get those pieces put on it and bring it inside to actually build its panhard bar and do those pull a U-bolt flip kit off and put the Sky Manufacturing one on. It'd be nice to be able to use the lift to do that. So we'll do that then, but it was nice to be able to give the DURAMAX some attention here. The next episode, guys, we'll pull out the red Scotch-Brite and we'll get those towers all cleaned up really nice, and we'll get those painted up nice with some Rust-Oleum Industrial Black. And then we'll get that U-bolt flip kit on order and get that installed and move on with the truck from there, guys. So thanks for watching today, guys. Thanks for your constant support as always. Please hit the bell up there so you guys get notifications when I upload videos, so you guys know I have a fresh one out. And if you guys like what we do, you like Cougar House Garage, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook/Cougar House Garage. And we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Follow along with all the crazy projects there. And we'll catch you in the next episode.